Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create automation to send invoice to your customers before it's due. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your workflow automation icon in the top right corner. If you cannot find it, you can just search it in the search box and you will find workflow automation. Click on it. So you will find a lot of templates here. So let's say you don't find the templates you want, so you have to create a custom workflow. You can just click custom workflow for invoice. So we're gonna choose invoice because in this video we're gonna send the invoice to our customer before the due date. So you can choose send obviously and click next. And then now you can name it maybe invoice uh, reminder. So the source transaction is invoice, and then as you can see, what do you want QuickBooks do? You can just want to send invoice 1 day before invoice is due. So you can click on it. So 1 day before invoice is due, the customer will get the invoice and then send invoice to customer, and you can customize the message, and then you can choose the when. So invoice send status is unsent. So basically the invoice will be sent 1 day before invoice is due to your customers when the invoice send status is unsent. After that you can just click save and turn on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.